Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can set a task in your GanttPro project as partially complete. So let us dive into this. So guys, let's assume you've been working on a task within your projects with your team members, but the given task hasn't been completed to 100% yet. So it's not done nor complete, but it has started already. So it's not 100% complete, but you're already working on it. And now I'd like to mark it, let's say, to 40% complete or 20%, because there's a difference between having a task completed, for example, to 20% than in 20% or 60%. This is how you can do it, guys. So navigate to your project, access one of these views, go to Gantt chart view. And one way how you could do this, guys, would be to enable the progress field or bar here. Let me just remove it and show you how you can add it to your list of tasks here or fields. To do that, click into that button here and add one of these fields to your, in this case here, the progress field, to your list of fields here. And now you will see, for example, to how much extent the given task has been completed with the overall here 53%, for example. So what you want to do is click into the given task to access its settings. And here inside that overview, guys, you may simply use that slider here to set a custom progress like 20%, 70%, or click into that number and go with, I don't know, 45% or something like that. And there you go. And the status bar will then be adjusted accordingly. Of course, the status should be set to in progress if you have completed it to 45% and not open, done, or closed. And once you have reached 100%, it will automatically switch to done. And that's it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.